then you must learn this sweet potato recipe today. First of all, scrape off the outer skin of the sweet potato and cut it into uniform hard pieces. When buying sweet potatoes, it is best to choose this kind of yellow flesh. After boiling the water in the pot, put the sweet potatoes in. The cooking time should not be too long, about 2 minutes. Then take it out and put it in cold water to cool it. After the water is drained, put it into a large bowl. Add a spoonful of cornstarch, stir well, so that each piece of sweet potato can be evenly coated with a layer of flour. Heat the oil until it is 70% hot. Insert a shallot into it. Make small bubbles quickly, and then pour in sweet potatoes. Don't move the sweet potato after it's put in the pot. Give it a set time. Fry for about 30 seconds, and then turn it with a colander. I will share a delicious home-cooked dish every day. Please order a little red heart to encourage and support. Thank you very much. Keep frying on medium heat for about 3 or 4 minutes, until the outside is golden and crispy. Take out the oil control. Add a spoonful of water, a spoonful of sugar, and a little cooking oil into the pot. Turn on the high heat and boil the water to evaporate the water. Then change to medium and low heat and cook slowly. First there will be big bubbles, then small bubbles form. The color turns slightly yellow, and when it finally becomes this sesame oil color, pour in the sweet potatoes. Stir fry quickly and evenly, then take out of the pan and put on a plate for wire drying. Both adults and children like to eat sweet potatoes. Chinese New Year is coming soon. If you learn it, it is your specialty. If you like it, save it and try it.